how to feed your carabao or the cow. Yeah, let me show you. It's very simple. Okay, so here in the Philippines we have two ways. We could eat YY, and the other one is you will get the food in the pag into her face. Okay, so we're doing the YY. It's YY our carabao. Okay, let's go. This is our carabao. Worry from the padol. Yeah. Okay, in YY you need to find a spot that has a very maraming damo. Yeah. So like this one. So let's let the cow eat. Yan, that one. So you can leave the cow here by galluting into the padol. Yeah. You know what is padol? And the next video will show you the padol. This is so we will tie it, okay? So we're done. That's how you YY your carabao. Now, thank you later. Bye-bye.